Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. We're about to dive into a filing that involves a company cancelling a meeting, but the real story might be about what they aren't saying. Stick around to see what this means. Before we get into the nitty gritty, if you love getting straight to the point with financial news and corporate insights, make sure you are subscribed. And hey, if you want to chat about these filings and more, join our Discord community. The link is right there in the description below. So what we have here is a very brief update from AMAZE Holdings Incorporated. It is an 8K filing, which is essentially a report of significant events that happened between their regular financial filings. And the big news, or rather the non-news, is that they've cancelled their special meeting of stockholders that was supposed to happen on the 4th of February 2026. Instead of having that special meeting, the company announced on the 3rd of February that they're going to present the same issues that were planned for the special meeting at their next regular annual meeting. Now, why does this matter? Well, special meetings are usually called when a company needs to vote on something urgent or important that can't wait for the annual gathering. By cancelling it and pushing it to the annual meeting, it suggests that whatever was so urgent might not be quite so urgent after all. Or perhaps they're not confident about the outcome of the vote at the special meeting. We don't have the details of what those proposals were in this specific filing, but the cancellation itself is a signal that something has shifted. Let's take a quick look at the company's basic information. AMAZE Holdings Incorporated trades under the ticker symbol AMZE on the NYSE American Stock Exchange. They are incorporated in Nevada. Something interesting here is that they are electing to be treated as an emerging growth company. This status gives them certain regulatory benefits, like being able to delay adopting new accounting standards. While this can seem like a small detail, it often means companies are trying to manage their reporting burden and perhaps signal to investors that they are a growing entity. This filing is really about item 8.01, which is called Other Events. The core of this event is the press release announcing the cancellation. The company is essentially informing the public and its shareholders that this meeting is off, and the items for a vote will be rescheduled. They've incorporated that press release, which isn't fully detailed here, but it is referenced as Exhibit 99.1. Now, what is missing is often just as telling as what is present in these filings. There are no financial tables here because this isn't a quarterly or annual report focused on financial performance. This is purely an administrative update, albeit one that could hint at internal dynamics or strategic shifts. Without the details of the proposals that were going to be voted on, it is hard to say definitively what this cancellation signifies beyond a change in their meeting schedule. However, in the world of corporate finance, a cancelled meeting where important votes were expected can sometimes mean a company is regrouping, facing unexpected opposition, or perhaps has found an alternative solution to whatever presented the need for a special meeting in the first place. The report is signed by Aaron Day, who is listed as the Chief Executive Officer. This indicates that the decision to cancel the meeting and issue this report has the backing of senior leadership. Looking at AMAZE Holdings Incorporated, the action of cancelling a special meeting without a clear, immediate reason often raises questions. Is there internal disagreement? Are they waiting for better market conditions to propose something, or perhaps they've simply come to a consensus on the matters without needing a formal vote at this specific time? For investors, it is a cue to keep a close eye on future communications, particularly when that annual meeting rolls around. Based on this very brief filing, it is difficult to make a strong assessment of the company's financial direction or strategy. This report is more about process and scheduling than about performance or risk. The lack of detailed financial information in this particular form means we can't analyze revenue, profits, or debt in the usual way we do here at Corporate Decoder. However, the act of cancelling a special meeting is a noteworthy event. When a company schedules a special meeting, it usually means they need immediate shareholder approval for something significant, like a merger, acquisition, or a major corporate restructuring. Pushing that off suggests that either the urgency has passed, they are reassessing their strategy, or perhaps they are anticipating a difficult vote. This filing serves primarily as a notification. The real story, the why behind the cancellation, is likely to be revealed in future announcements or through the proceedings at the annual meeting. For now, AMAZE Holdings has simply informed us that a planned discussion has been postponed. Now, looking at this filing more broadly, the biggest takeaway is the cancellation of the special meeting. This often signals uncertainty or a change in plans within the company. While there are no financial numbers here to dissect, the management's decision to postpone a crucial vote can be a sign that they are re-evaluating their strategy or perhaps facing shareholder dissent. It's a bit of a mystery, and mysteries can sometimes lead to interesting developments. What is your take on this cancellation? Does it signal trouble or a strategic pause for AMAZE Holdings Incorporated? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already subscribed for more decoded corporate insights, don't forget to join our growing Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.